what else can be bigger and more important than what's going on in Lebanon and Gaza that we still don't want to be active politically? And by law, we have the right as equal citizens. And why don't we want to be relevant? Why don't we want to make sure that people count on us? Right now, there is nothing more important than the genocide that's going on in the Middle East, in Gaza and in Lebanon. I would not forgive myself to cast my vote for someone that have been in the forefront of this genocide just because the other person who might become the president could be a horrible human being. And so for that reason, for Gaza children, for Lebanon's children, if no one else, and for what my home country in Afghanistan is, I don't know how much my vote matters or not, but regardless, I would never consider voting for someone, for an administration that handed over Afghanistan to a terrorist group and now is funding and supporting genocide in Lebanon and in Gaza. I have zero respect or interest that Trump would do anything fair and good for the majority of the people. So Trump represents very small a group of people and himself, most importantly. I will not be voting for Trump either. So for the person that I am going to be voting, I already know that she's not going to win, unfortunately, the way the U.S. elections are run. But it doesn't matter. I am one person and I have control on my vote. And I want to vote my conscience. I want to vote to someone that tomorrow I don't regret or carry some responsibilities of what these people will be doing in the future, whether it's in the U.S. or in other parts of the world. I want the Muslim Americans, not only Muslim Americans, all the Middle Eastern people, that we are not necessarily 100 Muslims. And regardless of our religion, where we come from is how we are always going to be labeled. We need to make ourselves relevant and important, and a group of people that we are being counted and we have political weight.